What the fuck? Ang bilis niya, puta! Puta ka na, bilis! Gago, bilis! Ang bilis mo naman! Ba't ganyan kakabilis? Parang gutom ka na. Parang isang taong kang hindi kumain na. Napagtripan mo pa yung pugi, ha? Yo, what's up? What's up sa inyong lahat dyan? Ito na naman si Marcus Dig. Maglalaro na naman tayo ng panibagong laro natin na tinatawag na Puppy Playtime, which is nalaro ko ito nung nakaraan, kaso bad yung quality ng audio natin, no? Ang pangit panoorin. So bago pa lang napadaan ka, ako nga pala si Marcus, naglalaro ng mga horror game. At huwag mo na kalimutan mag-subscribe. Malamat natin umabot sa 400 sub. Kaya natin yan. Ngayon pala yung papasalamat ako sa inyo. And let's go! Chapter 1, A Tight Squeeze. As an ex-employee of a Playtime Co., you finally returned to the factory many years after. Everybody within disappeared. Okay, si Wagi pala yun. Alright, panoodin natin yung intro.
We're about to see the most incredible doll ever invented. Her name is Poppy, and she is the first truly intelligent doll in the world. A little
Alright.
talk to her. Poppy gives
Alright, sige.
She is the first doll actually able to have a conversation with a child. Hard to believe? Just watch.
Okay.
Poppy Playtime! Poppy's as lovable as
Hi.
a girl, and she talks like one too.
Alright.
My name is Poppy.
You're so cute!
Can you help me polish my shoes?
Why, of course.
Oh, you're very, very sexy.
The real girl, Poppy always wants to look
Oh.
her best.
Perfect.
Uy, kumintab. Lupit na na.
Her hair is sturdy and won't come out when you brush it, and smells just like a poppy flower. Is there
Sige.
anything else you'd like to say, Poppy?
I'm a real girl. Just like
Pwede nga.
What's the
The
time?
second kiss you.
And if you've ever wanted to see how all of the nation's
And that is the happily ever after.
Playtime Co. is now offering factory tours.
Uy, parang Chucky ah.
Kind of person. An entire hour in the most magical toy factory on Earth. What are you waiting for? Come visit the factory.
Bili na! Bili na! Bilhin tayo ng mga walang kwentang doll. Alright. Puppy Playtime. Alright. Find the flower. At ibibigay daw natin yung sa crush natin. Find the flower. Ayun oh. Okay, what's next? Find the flower. Anong kasunod na gagawin natin? Find the flower daw. Ito na, simula ng katangahan na naman. We are here at the factory. Ano sabi dito? Welcome. At wala akong pakalam sa'yo. Uy! Ano yun? Kinain natin? Ang sabi dito is gift shop. Anong gagawin natin dito? Uy! O yun.
Hi.
Hi.
My name is Leif Pierre, and I'm the head of innovation here at the Playtime Co. Toy Factory.
Oh, what the fuck?
Seeing this, then you're trespassing.
Trespassing?
This little tape on loop whenever we close the
I am
factory for
trespassing?
So, trespasser, just to make you aware, while we pride ourselves primarily on our high-quality toys and excellent child care, we also pride ourselves on our security.
Blah, blah, blah.
This facility is full of hidden motion triggers, which, once set off, will turn on the factory's emergency alarms and directly contact the authorities. And that's one of the more tame aspects of our security system. No spoilers. So, you've got my warning. It's not too late to turn around.
Turn around.
Whatever you're doing.
Ang pangit daw nito, mamaya gugulatin na tayo. Turn around. What is this? Ah! Oh, naalala ko na. Ito yung password. Green, pink, yellow, red. Green, pink, yellow, red. Ah, green, pink, yellow, red. Bakit ganun? Red, yellow, pink, green. Red, yellow, pink, green. Red, yellow, pink, green. Yun! Sabi na eh. Ito na si Wagi. Ito na si Wagi. May upuan dito. Walang ya. Uy. Uy. Uy, ang dami dito. Uy, sinisira mo yan ha. Bawal sirain yan. Magagalit si ano. Pwede tayo dito magtago. Pwede tayo magtago. Ito. Tape na naman. Walang ya. Puro na lang tape. Yun. Playtime. Grab pack, 'di ba? Yan yung ating kamay. Ang galing. Ang galing ng kamay natin, walang ya. Yan oh, pwede tayo maging sila stickman dyan eh. Oh, yan tayo. Yan tayo kapangit, my friend. 'Di ba? Pwede nating itulak yan parang si Gambino. Yeah. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Sasapot gamit ang puwit. Ay, joke. Thank you. Use your... What's the time? Playtime. Diba? Ito yun. Diba? Ayan yun. Ayan o. Ayan o. What's the time? Ano yun? Pati mabuksan. Ayun! Diba? O diba? Spider-Man. 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 Diba ang galing? Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Oy buddy, high five. Alright. Okay. High five. High five, motherfucker. Ayan na si Wagi. Nandiyan na yung pangit na kalaban natin. Oh, yun. Nabuksan na nga. Ito na si Waging pangit, oh. Nakikita ako na yung pagmumukha niya, oh. Papangalanan natin siyang si Bakulaw na Blue. Hello, Bakulaw na Blue. Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka, aking Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, Wagi, 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 Wagi. Wagi, Wagi. Oy! Sorry, sorry. Okay. Ayun. Ito pala. Susi. Yes, I got the freaking key. No. Alright. Ayun. Saan ka natin gawin dito? Okay. Pinapahirapan mo ako. Ayun. Ito pa. Alright. Okay. Buhay na si paring Wagi. Kakainin niya tayo. Diba wala na? Piruin mo yun. Mainayos lang ako sa loob. Paglabas ko wala na siya dito. Bubuksan mo ang pinto. Ayun. Okay. Ayun. So anong gagawin natin dito? Hello. May tayo. Wagi. Ayun. Ayun. Ayun oh. Okay. Di ko na alam kung anong kinukuha ko eh. Kailangan pa natin hanapin yung iba, no? Kailangan natin kumuha pa ng iba. Ayun, tape recording oh. Kailangan natin yung apat na piraso nun. Ayun, ayun yung isa. Ayun yung isa, ba't ka nagtatago? Walang yaka, pinahirapan mo ako. Wagi, dyan ka lang ha, punyita ka, kulit mo ha. Okay.
Rich, where are they keeping the Huggy boxes?
I don't know. I couldn't tell you. Remember when maintenance left it a sweep of this place?
Okay, dito nyo na sinasabi yung katotohanan.
This stupid company knows what they're doing. Oh, I swear, I haven't seen a single box in its place since they started flooding the storehouse with orphanage junk.
Right.
I get it. It's a nice program and all.
Blah 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 blah.
Heck about it, 'cause we can't fight stupid.
Ayun, kompleto na guys. Okay.
You're right. It's for the orphans. I just wish there were less boxes.
Okay.
Anything less would be more amenable.
Alright. Ito yung magiging kamay natin guys. Yun na yung kamay natin. Okay, may kamay na tayo. May isa na tayong kamay. Yun oh. Ayun. Walang iya. Yun lang pala yung kailangan natin. Yun, nagbukas na nga. Buksan mo ang bintana ng puso ko. Sheesh! Saan ko nga ba nilagay yung walang yan? Ay, ito. Ito yun. Ay, kulang. Hindi kasya. Ayun. Ito yun. Okay. Okay. Ayun, oh. Ayun. Ayun. Ito na. Ito na nga. Okay. Hinahabol na ba tayo? Hinahabol na ba tayo ng buslog? Hinahabol na tayo? Oh my god. Shit. Hinahabol na tayo. Oh my god. Hinahabol na tayo. Hinahabol na tayo na tukmul. So, alright. Para tayong tae. Lumabas dito, putang ina. Bakit para tayong tae? At may putang inang mata dito. So, anong gagawin natin dito? So, there must be a way out there. Hello, buddy. High five. Alright, we're gonna going up here. And, oh, another tape na naman kailangan natin dito. Walang ya. Oy! Ayun yung tape. Ah, oo nga no, may daan nga pala dito. Spider-Man, 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 Spider-Man. Alright, so panoodin muna natin to probably. Okay, another tape. Ano daw?
Stella, what made you want to work at the Playtime Co. factory?
Playing with
Yes.
so magical. I could go straight from my bedroom floor to anywhere in the world. It was such a great feeling. And being able to work at a toy factory, somewhere that can provide kids with that same experience,
Yes.
it's a pretty great feeling too. Sometimes though, I really
Okay. So masama talaga dito si Huggy Wuggy. Yeah, blah 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 blah. Okay, so gagawin natin dito is okay, doon natin ilalagay yun probably. Mali, yun. Tapos yeah, where's Spider-Man? Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Bakit ganon? Nalaglag ako sa maling tao. Okay. Huwag kang malalaglag, punyimas ka. Ay, patay talaga tayo dito, men. Hindi pwede pala to. Hindi abot. Lah. Hindi abot. What the fuck? Damn it, baby. Damn it. Alam ko na. So, probably we can go here. Something here. And kuhain natin to. Okay. Yun! Yes, I know. So, kailangan natin gawin is no? Kailangan pala dalawa, no? So, ikot tayo dito. Shit! Okay, hawakan natin muna yan. Malalaglag ka na naman, punyimas ka. Alright. Okay. Okay. So how can we supposed to be do this? Something like this. Something like this. Or something like this. Okay. Alright. Yun! Pwede ba tayo? Ay, hindi naman tayo namamatay na pag nalaglag tayo, ano? Sheesh! We had... Ay, nahilo tayo. Grabe, nahilo tayo. Power on! Alright. Ito ba yun? Nagulat naman ako. Yes! Tinitingnan naman tayo ganyan dahil napakapugi daw natin. Tangina ka talaga, makatingin ka, punyemas ka. Manggagawa tayo ng laruan, butang ka na. Ano ba ito? Ayun! Lang yan, yun lang pala. Tangina, yun lang pala gagawin ko. Kanina ka pa makatingin ka, ha? Ano to? Oy, mabubuo na yung ating baby. Oh, hi! Oh, hi! Oh, hi! Hi, boy! Come here, I got you, I got you. Alright, so ano gagawin natin dito? Probably? Ayun! Yun, oh! Access na daw! So ano gagawin natin dito if na-access na? Nabuksan na, kaibigan! Uy, sarado. Wow! Wow! Nandito na si Buslog! Nandito na si Buslog! He's coming here! Puputulin na tayo ng itlog! Oh, what the fuck? Nakita ko na si Buslog! Si Buslog! Hinahabol tayo! Tangina, naggagapang ang putang kana! Naggagapang! Putang ina, naggagapang! Tangina mo, ba't ganyan ka gumakapang, ha? Punyemas ka talaga! Kahit kailan ang pangit mo! What the fuck? Ang bilis niya, puta! Putang ina, bilis! Gago, bilis! Ang bilis mo naman! Ba't ganyan kakabilis? Parang gutom ka na. Parang isang taong kang hindi kumain na. Napagtripan mo pa yung pugi, ha? Tangina, ba't napagtripan mo yung pugi? Tangina mo, ba't pinagtitripan mo ako? Sorry na. Sorry na. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Oh, wow, oh, wow. Oh, no. No, no, no. Tangina. Sheesh! 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 Okay. Alright. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Kaya, man. Putang ina mo, kaya, man. Kaya mo, kaya, man. Sheesh! Uy! Uy! Oh, she's falling down. Oh. Tangina mo. Tangina mo. Gago. Oh, kinabahan ako ng putangina. Grabe naman suwagi na yan. By the way, she's falling down. In the sky, she's falling down. Nalaglag na siya. At tayo ay nakaligtas na putangina. Gago yan. Gago yan. Oh, sunflower. Okay, nakita ko na yung Gugamela dito. Uy, tape recorder. Tapos na? Ang lawak ng place, ha?
In relation.
Okay.
Experiment 1006. The prototype.
Hi!
Coordination and cooperation.
Hi!
Within his skill
Bye-bye!
set, as well as the skill set of all other experiments of his type.
Nagulat ako dun, ah.
Today's events are no doubt.
Grabe si Wagi. Run daw, run.
Understand it or not. End of.
Run! Run, motherfucker! Run! Sheesh! 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 Run! Okay, ligtas tayo. Alright. Oh.
You opened
What
my
the-
case.
Shit! Oh! May chapter 2. Shit. So tingin ko guys is natapos natin yung laro. Na-ending natin yung Puppy Playtime na to. And chapter 1 pa lang siya. At meron na naman bagong kalaban na babae. So maliit siya. Hindi ko alam. Mas nakakatakot siguro to. And yes, lalaroin natin yung chapter 2 nito. And try natin kung available siya sa Android. And na-ending natin siya guys. And dito na natin po sa videos natin. Kung na-enjoy nyo, huwag ka na muna mag-subscribe dyan. I-click the bell para mag-update kasi kung bago na i-upload ng mga videos. And shoutout nga pala kay ProPlays Gaming. Shoutout sa'yo. Alright, pasensya na. Ngayon lang kita ng shoutout. Ito sa dulo ng video. Ngayon ko lang naalala. So baka ito yung mapanood nyo is by Sabado. Yan, Sabado. Hindi ko alam kung na-achieve na natin yung 400 sub. Pero ngayon pa naman kapasalamat na ako sa inyo. And road to 500 sub if ever. So yun guys. And stay cool.